Namaskar friends, myself Vaidyanka Gupta. In Satvayu Ayurveda, we will talk about post-COVID complications. Post-COVID complications are occurring in all over the world and causing fatalities even after negative corona reports. How Ayurveda understand about the post-COVID complications and what are the Panchakarma and medicines can be used to treat or to avoid post-COVID complications. Some people leave their mark to the world and corona pandemic is doing so. Even after negative report of corona, even after corona infection is treated well, patients are suffering from many mild and serious infections and diseases. Many patients are suffering from major disease like heart, lung and brain disease, which is increasing mortality in post-COVID patients. What are these complications? First are some mild complications like mild fevers, nose stuffiness, weakness, tiredness, body ache, hair fall, headache, indigestion, sometimes diarrhea, vomiting. Such kind of mild symptoms may occur, but many times there are some severe complications like heart disease, blockage in the capillaries of heart, or pulmonary embolism, post-COVID pneumonia, stroke, brain fog, or pancreatitis like symptoms. Why these complications are occurring? First of all, weak immunity cause COVID infection and COVID infection cause again weak immunity. So this weak immunity invite even more infections. Second, slow digestion or lower metabolic rate. Because of this, recovery of patient is slow, and if that time people follow inappropriate diet and lifestyle, they can suffer many severe complications. And third, blood impurity. Yes, Ayurveda says after all kind of fevers there is blood impurities. First, because of load of COVID infection is in the blood, and because of overload of medicines used for treatment of corona infection, people have a severe blood toxicity which should be treated properly to avoid post-COVID complications. How Ayurveda can help? First of all, every patient who have recovered from corona infection should follow same lifestyle regarding diet, regarding exercise, regarding hygiene to avoid post-COVID complications and to avoid super infections. Second, in Ayurveda it is said Jwarante Rejanam or Jwar Muktetu Virejanam. That means one should be cleansed with the help of Ayurveda through Vaman, it means medicated vomiting, or Virejan, medicated purgation, or Vasti, medicated enema, so that the body is cleansed and all the toxicity is removed. Except that all the infectious fever are termed as Abhishangal Jwar, in which anti-toxicity treatment or Vishnasak Chikitsa is suggested. For that, one should use Suvarna Yukt Sood Sekhar Ras or Sarpunkha Chor or Arogyavardhani Vati or Amrit Ghat, such kind of medicine, except that new leaves of some plants like Badar and Gular pasted and drunk with water is also useful. Except that Rakta Shodhak Aushadhiya, that means medicine to purify blood. These are Sariva, Manjistha or bloodletting is also suggested. Patient should have Balya, it means agility increasing medicines like Bala, Ashwagandha, Shatavari, Nagarmotha, Sthira or Vidari, Jeshtmat kind of medicine should be taken. Medicine which increase digestive fire like carom seeds, cumin seeds, dried ginger powder or nag kesar, musta, that means nagarmotha is also very beneficial because it increases digestive power, so the metabolic rate and so the recovery of patient. Except that symptomatic treatment in the patient who have fever, they should have Sanjeevani Vati, Mahasudarshan Vati and Sadangpani. Patient who have body ache, they should go through Kerali Panchakam, especially pind swing is very beneficial. Patients who are going through heavy hair fall, they can use Bhrang Raj for internal medicine and it is very effective. Patients who are facing nose stuffiness for a longer period after negative corona report, they should use Nasya. It means 2 drops of cow ghee or anutel or shadbindu tel in the nose in morning is very beneficial. Vapor inhalation is also suggested. For increasing agility and strength, yoga, pranayam and exercise is very necessary. And last but not the least, indigestion should be strictly avoided. Indigestion could be a main cause of further complications. So, for indigestion, you can use medicine or matravasti like Panchakarma in Ayurveda. If I try to summarize how to avoid post-COVID complication through Ayurveda, first, follow the lifestyle, that means a easily digestible diet and yoga routine. Second, Panchakarma with the proper consultation of Ayurvedic Vaidya. Third, Ayurvedic medicine which increase agility, digestive fire and increase immunity are also very useful to avoid post-COVID complications. Many Ayurvedic practitioners in India are using these techniques and saving their patients from post-COVID complications. So, follow Ayurveda, eat right and stay healthy. Thank you.
For queries and to know more about Ayurveda, write us and to connect with us, subscribe our channel. Thank you.